Financial results for the quarter ended June 2024. Bank continued to show improved performance in all business parameters on a sustainable basis for the 13th consecutive quarter. Business highlights. Total business grew by 8.97% to Rs 6,35,564 crore. Total deposits up by 5.93% to Rs 3,84,949 crore. Gross advance increased by 13.99% to Rs 2,50,615 crore. RAM business grew by 18.81%. The individual sector-wise growth stood at 13.87%, Rs 72,469 crore, 15.36%, Rs 47,080 crore, and 30.20%, Rs 52,111 crore, respectively, for retail, agriculture, and MSME. Business per employee improved to Rs 20.31 crore during quarter ended June 30, 2024, from Rs 18.43 crore on year-on-year basis. Credit to deposit ratio improved to 65.27%, registering an improvement of 452 basis points from 30th of June 2023. Asset quality. Gross NPA improved to 4.54%, registering an improvement of 41 basis points. Net NPA improved to 0.73%, registering an improvement of 102 basis points. Provision coverage ratio improved to 96.17%, registering an improvement of 394 basis points. Profitability. Net profit up by 110.53% to Rs 880 crore on year-on-year basis. Net interest income grew by 11.71% on year-on-year basis to 3,548 crore. Net interest margin for the quarter is at 3.57%. Total income improved by 16.08% on year-on-year basis to 9,500 crore. Capital adequacy. Capital to risk-weighted assets ratio improved to 15.68%, of which Tier 1 is 13.36%, registering an improvement of 126 basis points over June 2023.